we ranked higher than Pakistan. And we were one of the only two subnationals, Gujarat in India being the second one, which was ranked amongst national governments, national public-private partnership programs. So I see a lot of professionals here. What I would encourage you to do is look into our public-private partnership model, and for the betterment of the residents of this province, for the betterment of this country, and most of all to make profits for your organizations. Enter into the available opportunities that we have here. We've got great opportunities. I talked about deforestation and revenue model through carbon credits. We've got wastewater. Karachi generates, as you know, 20 million people. We generate a lot of waste water. It can be treated and